Okay, this video is the day after the major snowstorm or blizzard. February 11th, 2010, 7 o'clock a.m. morning. Cars are still covered. The day after of the snowstorm or blizzard. Pretty deep out there, if you can see that. Because last night they used a snowblower outside here to clear the sidewalks for today. Well, this morning probably. The roads are like one sheet of snow. But yeah, this is just a quick video outside my window of the day after the snowstorm of 2010 or blizzard. I will find out later on accumulations we had, and that's it. And maybe take a walk back to Easton if I decide to do so. But I was over there yesterday with the storm itself, but today will be the day after the storm in Eastern Pennsylvania. And then that's it. Until next time, take care. Bye.